Hello everyone, this is Miss Chelsea and today we will be learning about forces in motion. Next, we're going to construct explanation using Newton's law of motion to describe the effects of balanced and unbalanced forces on the motion of an object. Next, we're going to look at contact versus non-contact forces. So what are contact forces? Well, contact forces are when an object touches or bumps into another object. A major example of a contact force is friction. Friction always opposes motion when two objects are touching. So whatever direction the motion is, friction will be in the opposite. For example, if you were to hit a ball with a mallet on an ice skating rink, it would roll further than it would if you were to hit a ball with the same amount of force in a grass field. This is because the grass provides more friction than the ice. Next, we want to know what are the forces that act at a distance. Forces that act at a distance include gravity as well as magnetism. So gravity pulls you and objects towards Earth. It always points down towards the Earth. And the acceleration due to gravity is always 9.8 meters per second squared because this force is constant at ground level. Now, the force of magnets can be felt at a distance before they are even touching. This force can also be felt as they repel. So the force between magnets is also a non-contact force. Sir Isaac Newton developed 3 laws of motion in 1686 to describe the relationship between force and the motion of an object. Our question is, what is Newton's first law of motion? Well, Newton's first law of motion is also called inertia. It states that an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. It also states that an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted on by an unbalanced force. This unbalanced force causes acceleration to occur in the direction of the net force. Let's look at some examples. An asteroid is moving through space and it keeps going and going, obeying Newton's first law because there is no unbalanced force acting upon it. So it's never going to stop unless it has a force. Another example is this rock. It's not moving until the boy starts to push it forwards. The boy pushing the rock is the unbalanced force. Remember, balanced force does not necessarily mean no force. It just means that all of the forces cancel each other out.